But what survives when humanity vanishes? The answer surprises you. Evolution doesn't stop, it simply shifts focus. We analyze 5 primary tiers of post-human evolution. Tier 1 at the immediate aftermath, a brief, chaotic reshuffle. Our small, adaptable generalists inherit the empty niches swiftly. The era of global homogenization ends, regional variation begins. And now that we understand Tier 1, let's explore Tier 2. On Tier 2, rewilding, spanning thousands of years post-collapse. Existing species undergo significant adaptive radiation. The return of megafauna, albeit in altered, evolutionary forms. And aquatic niches become fiercely competitive once more. The planet reclaims its architectural scars from our era. Tier 3 marks the deep divergence into novel body plans. The invertebrates, freed from intense human pesticide pressure, dominate. Amphibious forms exploit newly formed, warmer wetlands. Plant life develops radically new defense and pollination strategies. But evolution favors bizarre solutions when old rules cease applying. And now that we understand Tier 3, we look toward deeper time. Tier 4, the age of specialized extremophiles and giants. Life adapts to harsh new climate regimes established over millennia. Deep-sea vents host flourishing ecosystems independent of surface life. Terrestrial life fragments into isolated, highly specialized pockets. An energy transfer becomes incredibly efficient at low population densities. Predator-prey dynamics reach chemical and sensory extremes. These specialized forms are the product of immense time passing. Transitioning now to the final evolutionary horizon, Tier 5. Tier 5, the deep future, a world fundamentally alien to ours. Blurring the lines between plant and animal becomes the norm. But life potentially evolves collective consciousness through biological networking. Dominant forms may possess radically different sensory apparatus. Evolution favors complexity, where energy inputs are stable and low. And silicate-based or crystalline life may emerge from mineral environments. Simplicity reigns when resources are critically scarce over deep time. But even single-celled organisms achieve unbelievable longevity and adaptation. On these, tiers demonstrate evolution's unbounded capacity for novelty. Consider the evolutionary pressures guiding these futures. Climate shifts are the primary drivers of major morphological change. A competition for remnant resources dictates early structural commitments. Predation pressure sharpens sensory organs to near impossible acuity. The complexity in Tier 3 emerges from ecological niches, filling completely. Evolutionary, blind alleys create incredible, specialized tools for limited tasks. Geological stability enables the emergence of Tier 4 behemoths. The potential for flight becomes re-explored in new, massive forms. Magnetic field fluctuations can drive sensory restructuring in life. Reproduction methods diversify wildly under extreme isolation. Tier 5 pushes life beyond carbon-based assumptions. Atmospheric composition directly dictates available biological architecture. The concept of individuality may dissolve into larger meta-organisms. A perfection informed follows functional necessity in the deep future. These evolutionary paths underscore the power of deep time scales. And from quick recovery to radical divergence, the changes are profound. What remains constant is the drive to persist and adapt. But genetic drift, mutation, and extinction are the engine of creation. Geographic isolation is the incubator for unique evolutionary novelties. Senses we cannot even conceive will dominate the deepest future. The sheer scale of possibility is humbling to our current perspective. Even simple energy transfer evolves to harness quantum effects. Of the most successful beings are those that require the least resources. These 5 tiers map the potential journey of life's tenacious continuity. An evolution is not a path to it is an endless, branching sea of possibility.